Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the hub, the wheel bearings on a boat trailer. So yesterday we were going boating, we got the boat off the driveway there and one of the wheels started falling off, so we had to change the wheel. But the reason we had to change it right away is because there was another wheel already off the trailer that fell off last week. So my brother-in-law, he's not very proactive, so you really, if you take care of a trailer, you wouldn't have to deal with such a headache. But anyway, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so this wheel is about to come off. See how much is sticking out from the other ones. So
that's the one I said was gonna go.
Yeah.
I don't care if the studs break.
Yeah, we put in new ones in. There she goes.
The washer's in good shape. I need the fucking vice grip. Right back. Nice, man. Wow.
He's the captain, he's the mechanic.
Fucking every goddamn thing. Fucking aggravated guy.
Alright guys, so he basically cleaned this up. He's going to use a wire wheel to get some of this corrosion off of there, so he gets a better seal. Alright, you got to pack the bearings.
You mean wreck your new gloves?
Pretty much. Well, that's how you pack them. You just kind of.
There is a fucking thing that you could buy that makes it much easier, but you can do it this way too. It works.
That's the old school way. Alright, so we put in the seal on that. Nice. Another hub.
That's the right hub.
Yeah, she's cracking the whip, man. You better hurry up.
Crack the whip all she wants, she ain't giving it up. Straighten out the washer.
What's that the washer called?
Tang washer.
Tang washer, and that's because it has those little tabs, right?
Yeah. I think they're called tangs.
Tang. Tang.
Tang, tang, tang. Pow, pow, pow.
Okay, so it doesn't have a cotter pin. It's
No.
It's just you just flip those tabs over. Okay.
Feels good to me, man. Right? Where's the other one? Oh, there we go.
And he just line up the tabs, and he's just gonna bend over the tab right there.
A hammer?
So it doesn't back out. Alright guys, that's how you change the hub and bearings on a boat trailer. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.